You okay?
Yeah. I can't track down Gemma, though.
She's at the hospital with the kid.
Okay, good.
Where's McKeevy?
He's dead. Port commissioner had him beat to death.
Jesus, Mary, Joseph.
We'll get rid of the Mexicans.
All right, we'll take care of Cammy. He's hurt real bad. We gotta get him back to the clubhouse somehow.
Not a problem.
Freddy's Infirmary at your service.
No, sure. I got you. Slugs up deep.
You know what the hell you're doing, Scotsman?
Yeah, 5 months, and I managed his armed forces as a medic.
5 months, huh?
Till I was court-martialed. Slugging his arse may have hit an artery. It's probably the only thing that's slowing down the blood loss. The only way we're going to save this guy is we get some surgical tools.
Like what?
Scalpels, clamps, sutures, needles, all that kind of shit.
What happened?
Ask him.
Oh, my God.
I'm fine.
I knew it. God damn it. I knew something bad was happening. Holy shit. Where'd we get an ambulance?
Numbnut stole it.
We'll patch up the Irishman.
All right, so what do you need me to do?
Well, we're gonna have a full house tomorrow. Maybe you could prep that, food, booze.
Okay, I'll get the girls into it. Man, I hate this shit. Love you.
Love you.
Careful. Love you.
Love you too.
Calm down. Come on, hold on.
Chips.
Yeah.
Make a list of the surgical shit you need. I'll call Tara, see if she can help.
Okay, kid.
I appreciate you helping us out.
See what I have in my kit. I couldn't take anything from St. Thomas. They inventory
Yeah, of course. Whatever you have's fine.
some of the things you need.
Great. Thanks.
I'm not sure what's going on, Jax, but I hope it works out okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
For what?
You know, when I heard you were back in town, I ran the scenario of how this would work. You and me.
What'd it look like?
Like this. You wondering what kind of bad shit I was doing? Me saying I'm sorry?
Guess this conversation feels familiar.
Yeah, because I'm the same guy. We're in the same cut. But you're someone different, Doc. That's a good thing.
Tonight, I saw a father who loves his son. No fear of being vulnerable, of letting someone in. It might be the same cut, but it's not the same guy.
Good night.